on this channel. I am going to adjust the shitty rear end in this. I'm going to put a drain plug in it because it's a 4 to 8 inch. It doesn't have a drain plug. So we're going to tackle that. And while we're doing that, I have some KYB adjustable struts I'll be putting in the back out of a 3rd gen Camaro. Oh, this is not going to be fun. Low car problems. Typical SkidBilly fashion, or Brett fashion, typical Brett fashion. I misplaced the drain plug. Okay, so this is a 1/2 inch plug. I found a 1/2 inch drill bit. It's a little dull though. I don't have a grinding wheel or to sharpen it, but it should work. I got a smaller bit for a pilot. This differential is full of fluid, so it's gonna get a little messy. I'm gonna drill this out first, let the fluid drain. Man, it's gonna be messy for doing it. Tell you what, I really wish I had a lift. Now what I think I want to do is kind of drill. I want the drain kind of on its side because I don't want to catch it on anything. Dripping. There we go. The reason I'm doing this is when I first put this in, I incorrectly filled it, to put it in layman's terms, and smoked the front pinion bearing. I cobbled it back together, but because when it smoked the front pinion bearing, it kind of goofed up the ring and pinion a little bit. So it whines, but it's not getting any worse. Now since I drilled that in the side a little bit, it's not going to drain completely as is. So my intention is that I will have to unbolt one strut. But I'm also putting 2 struts in, so it kind of works out right now. We have KYB. What we have here is KYB AGX struts, which are dampening adjustable, which is fucking cool. 8-way, but made to fit 3rd gen Camaro. So like 84, 83. And up. I want to see if the bushing will fit. Oh, look at that. It looked like it was made for it. Yeah. Alright, well in the meantime while that's draining, or whenever I put this in the video, So these were the rusted out struts that were in it. This is fully compressed and you can see it's not wanting to go back up. So in comparison also, I'm going to show you how much shorter these guys are. Press this guy. Alright, this is fully compressed. As you can see, let me take the bushing off. Look how much shorter this is compressed than the factory one. That's maybe 2 inches, 1 3/4 inches. Yeah, already even more now. So I want this because obviously my car is lower on some sketchy ass cut springs for now, but I want the added shortness because I'm already pushed up into the shock so much for it being low. So I bottom this one out. I won't so much bottom this one out. I'll also be able to adjust the dampening so it'll be harder to bottom out. Also stiffer ride. So when I start to throw my weight in the back, it's gonna resist more. Help me control my shit a little bit more. Yeah. Compressed. There we go. Funny thing is that to get to that nut on top, you kind of have to take the whole fucking liner out. Even though we got a little space for this plastic little fucker, stick through there. It's got a lip on the backside, so you can't pull it. You can't pull it through. You gotta take the whole fucking. Excuse my French. You gotta take the whole freaking thing out. Fucker. So change of plans. I'm not going to use that rubber plug. Kind of worried about it getting cut up by that steel edge, leaking over time. So I found this in my pile. It's a pipe tap, or pipe thread plug. But all I need to do is go get a tap for it. So pipe tap, you see how it's tapered? It's bigger. I'm also going to throw this magnet on the bottom. Collect any shit. Take a can of grease. Fuck. Oh yeah. Get that fucker. Now this will collect any chips it makes. 99%. Alright. So I'm gonna fill. I got this little doodad from our alley auto parts, and there's one thing I hate, and it's fucking pumping gear lube to your tranny or into a diff. It's always a pain in the ass. So this little doodad, you hook up to a drill, and that's how you power the pump. It takes normal hose ends. So what I did is I went to the hardware store, got a couple female hose ends for garden hoses, and got some hose. this thing. That cut out. So we're plugged in now. Got that side in. Now, just gonna take this strut out. Do the same thing. Alright, that's done. Oh, hey. Well, those look kind of cool in there, don't they? Neato. Alright.